It was a very important station of my career at the end of the We5 era. It was the meeting that I had with Vangelis. We understood that we had so much in common, but within us we knew that we needed each other in order to do something which was going to lead into the development of our personal career. And we created Aphrodite's Child, with a third member called Lucas in the drums. And we decided to leave Greece and go abroad. We took a train, the train from Athens, all the way to Calais, and then we got a boat to England. We wanted to come to England in '68. First day we put our feet in this country, the guys in the customs, they asked us, what are you going to do here? And we were very enthusiastic and very innocent. We said, we're going to work. Oh, great. And how much you have? Oh, we have about 100 pounds. Oh, great. And you have any address? Well, not exactly. So all these questions, they've been answered wrong, obviously. And they put us on a boat back to France. So there was England for us. One day. Back to France. We were more lucky. So Philips, they had this international meeting, and they heard. We went and presented the demos we had, and they wanted to sign us. So they signed us up for about 3 albums, and Lou Reisner, who was a well-known producer then for the company, for Mercury, gave us the name of Aphrodite's Child. And this is how Aphrodite's Child started to be more, present into the thing. And we recorded our first song. Our first song was Rain and Tears.
Tears.